we do get the chance to toss our leg over some truly blue sweet bikes here at Cycle World. The Greggs Customs R1 rings a bell, however even that appears somewhat manageable contrasted with the Ducati's Mocidasi Street Tracker Roland Sands concocted. The completed bicycle is straightforward, not very gaudy, with everything fitted for a reason and nothing tossed on or included because of the price of tea in China. The goal was to deliver a genuine usable, viable head turner, something that maybe Honda could have, or ought to have, created. What does one do with a low-mileage 1983 Harley-Davidson XR 1000 that has experienced harm coming about an incident out and about? For Michael Schumacher of Scottsdale, Arizona, the appropriate response was to enroll Mule Motorcycles of Poway, California. The developers are Sasha Valentine of Cafe Racer 30 and Sean Skinner of Moto Relic. They collaborated after Sasha saw and asked if Sean had worked in the tracker vein. She immediately connected with Team Up on this Royal Enfield supported form after she had gotten it. In case you're searching for a fun, lightweight, road lawful level tracker, the Zeta 530 SE isn't the bicycle for you. It's two of those things and, for the ideal individual, might be every one of the three. Yet, you're presumably not that individual. Searching for motivation? A remark on your divider, room, carport, FB, that will enable your psyche to meander to better things, better places, better circumstances. The cutting edge equal to that publication of the Bimototesi, Ducati 916, Ferrari F50, or Lamborghini Countach? Look no more distant than this level track idea that gets lights and a tag. In this way, the DT07 road tracker is conceived.